your ground. One is for the turn signals, and then one's for your lights in the night.
Harbor Freight.
Where did I get them? Yeah, Harbor Freight.
And on the other side. Come out pretty easy. I don't know why they make these like these.
I don't like these type of bumpers.
Like mine's not like this.
Okay, I got it. That was pretty tricky. It's easier just wedging something and then you just kind of flip it up like this motion. That's this little screwdriver right here. Oh fuck. Oh wow, fucking came off. That's good right there. That's way better because like that you're not damaging the clips. Can't even record this damn thing. Yeah, you might want to buy clips after this. I think I might have got it already. Freaking finally. Oh, and I broke the clip. Oh no, I think it was just dirt. I ended up snapping this off. And then there's this part that goes right here, right next to the muffler. It sits right above it. Grab it from your side and let's see. I feel like it's not even gonna. Oh, there it is. Damn. Oh, what the hell? This thing's still attached to it. Oh, I forgot that dumb clip that broke. Yep. Hang it on right there. Hang it on again.
Is that one on my side? No?
Yeah. No, on my side.
The one I was getting.
Yeah, I'm gonna just get the
That's the one that was that manure. Yeah, the flathead too.
No, I think that, no, well, it broke off, so I think I should be able to get it off. The clip broke. I think I get it. Hopefully.
Damn. 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 Damn.
I'm gonna have to get this off camera because I need both hands. Yeah, I'm gonna get it off camera. This guy. It's almost out. Oh, well, there it is, finally. I'm gonna need a new clip for that. There's a screw right here and one right here. I think it's just two. Shine it right here. Okay. Look at that. Okay, it's coming out. Go get the other side. It's already coming out. Oh, there it is. And you're just gonna get the wire and then you can feed it through one of these holes. Yeah, just hold the camera. Just shine it right here. Oh, I think I got it.
Trying to pop it in or what?
Mm-hmm. Well, actually, this other side didn't clip in. Yeah, I just gotta screw that screw. I'll probably do this, or help me do this other side.
It's raining.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Just line this fender well and this hole right here. One, two, three.
Ask Mr. Owl.
Mr. Owl, how many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop?
Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 3.
Damn, these are hard. Using it's a 5/16 socket. outlet right there is going to be 2 clips, one on top and then one on the bottom. I'm going to be wiring this to the brake lights. That's going to be your 12 volts, and that's going to be your ground. Or you could also get your ground off of the chassis, but it's a little easier like this. The red wire to your 12 volts, and then your green wire to the 12 volts. But I'm only going to be using the red and the black. I'm gonna tap in only to the brake lights, and I mean you could also use this one for like a turn signal or something else, but I'm not gonna use it. So I just put the blue connection onto the negative, and then another blue connection onto the positive cable. In, and just put it back into its place.